How to send money through PayPal internationally. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your PayPal account, and after logging into your account, make sure that you have added a payment method. For that, just simply go to payment methods and add your payment method. After adding the method, just simply click on this option of send and then wait for it to load. Here you need to select the person that you want to send the money to. Suppose I want to send it to someone. Simply type for their name and they will appear in the list. Simply select that person. After that, select the currency and the amount that you want to send. Suppose I want to send $100, so I will just simply type 100 over here. I can also change my currency by clicking over here on this particular menu. You can add these currencies by going into your payment methods. Over there you can add any currency of your choice. You can also add your own country's currency over here. This way it will appear over here. Now after that, select that currency, and here you can select the currency of the recipient. There are plenty of options available to you, and you would be able to see the conversion rate as well. 1 USD is equals to 0.8770 euro. So this way you would be able to see the conversion rate as well. Now you can type anything over here, the reason for this particular payment, and after that click on this option of next. Then wait for it to load, and now it will show you how much money that you are sending, and if in case you have added the payment method, it will appear over here. If you have more than one payment method, then it will ask you to choose your payment method. After selecting your payment method, you can click on this option of send, and this way you would be able to send the money to anyone out there internationally. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.